What's up guys, Wasi James here. So few days back IZI just sent me this drone to make a video on it, and it says IZI Spectra. So let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside. So the first thing we have here is the drone bag. So when we open the bag, we have the drone itself. So this is the drone. It comes with 3-axis gimbal and it has f1.9 aperture, so it's gonna be great for low light, and it comes with 8 GB of internal storage, good for those people who used to forget those SD cards. So yeah, this is the drone. I guess this is the Flymo combo kit. So it comes with 2 batteries. So here are the batteries, and this is the charging cable, and this is the power adapter. And yeah, it has this charging hub too, so you can charge 4 batteries at the same time. We have a propeller. I think this one is for front and this one is for back, and it has two each, so a total of 4 propellers. And yeah, this is the cable to connect with the RC and your mobile. And here's the remote controller. So yeah, these are the things that we got in this bag. So let's quickly go outside and fly this drone. So guys, we're currently now in outside. So let's quickly set up this thing and fly for the first time. To turn on this drone, first take out this gimbal protector like this, and then unfold these arms and press the power button once and hold it for like 4 seconds. And then now it's on. Now that the drone is on, let's connect the RC with the drone. So to connect the RC with the drone, pull down this first and put your phone here like this, and connect the phone with the RC like this. And to turn on, press this power button once and hold it for like 3 seconds, and now it will connect the drone itself. To view the camera, go to Play Store or App Store and search for IZI Spectra and enter and install it. I've already installed it, so it says open. And this drone comes with 1-inch CMOS sensor, and it can record up to 4K 30 fps, 2.7K and 1080 at 60 fps. And it has a flight time of 51 minutes in its battery and a flight range of 22 km. And it also has obstacle avoidance in front, rear and also in downward too. And it also has some AI features like orbit mode, which enable the drone to orbit around a subject, and also follow me mode, which enable the drone to follow you or track an object. And it also has zoom features up to 6x, which is a digital zoom, so the quality is not gonna be that great but still useful. You can take hyperlapse, you can also shoot in vertical format, and also shoot in log format, which is H-log for maximum dynamic range. The video is gonna look like this, but after color grading, you know it's gonna be good. And also for photo, you can shoot 20 megapixel photo too. It has a 3 type of flight mode, which are movie, normal, sport, and it also has 1 key return home for RTH, signal loss and low battery. And for the price of the drone, link is there in the description.